Quercus acutifolia needs 1808. No type has been designated. Original material consists of 9 specimens in the herbarium. Real Jardin Botanica, Spain, Madrid. In 1985, Bredlow labeled one specimen lectotype, not effectively published. Article 7.10 designated of a type is achieved only by effective publication. 2015, Valencia et al. Effectively published the same specimen as a lectotype but did not mention type designated here. Article 7.11 after 1st January 2001, 2017, Nixon and Barry fulfill all requirements. Tariq Hussain and S.R. Paul, a new species of Ixora rubiaceae from the Andaman and Nicobar Island. India, Andaman and Nicobar Island, having a holotype. Bhargav, having a isotype. Neotype, selected specimen or illustration to serve as nomenclature type when original material cited by Suthar is lost or missing. Article 9.8. Epitype, specimen illustration selected to serve as interpretative type when type material holo, lecto or neo is demonstrable, ambiguous or insufficient or inadequate for precise application. Identification of the name. Article 9.9. Designation of an epiphyte is not effected unless the holotype, lectotype or neotype that the epiphyte supports is explicitly cited. See Article 9.20. Finaria scandens or Bahunia scandens is a lectotypified by Nicholson in 1988. Subir Bandyopadhyay finding the inadequacy and for ambiguous application of the name epitypified with the specimen of Nicholson Sahyadriensis 5137 and 5501 KFRI images isoepitype N Sahyadriensis Seshadriensis 5137 accessory number 5500 explicitly citing details of lectotype. Duplicates of syn, lecto, neo and epitype. Syn type, isolectotype, isoneotype and isoepitype. Paralectotype or leptoparatype, a term proposed to designate specimens left after leptotypification, residual, not accepted in code through, though proposed many a time, term accepted in zoological nomenclature. Types and relevance of synonymy. If a taxonomist decided that a given species includes the type of two or more previously published names, then the oldest legitimate name is selected for use. The other names that have been applied to the same taxon are taxonomic synonyms of the accepted name. Each of the taxonomic synonyms has a separate type. Heterotypic synonyms. Nomenclatural synonyms are named with the same type. Homotypic synonyms. Heterotypic synonyms. Dendrobium tenaciaule and Dendrobium tenaciaule in 1890, 1899 and 1911. Homotypic synonyms. Rostularia andamanica, Vasudeva Rao, Justicia andamanica, in bracket Vasudeva Rao and Vasudeva Rao. Brucellia Ridley in 1925, Habesi, Brucellia West and West in 1907, Brucheliodendron Ridley and Allobrucellia in 1969. Mamazoilon Balkrishnani 1993, Mamazoilon collinium in 1979 and Mamazoilon collinium in 1983. 1872, Andamans, Eulopia andamanensis, 1896, Malay Peninsula, Eulopia kethi. 1875, Shotria polynura Kurz, 1830 and 1911, Shotria polyneura, and Shotria fujii in 1982. ICN 8.2 and 9.40 admixture, Chloreshita parishi, type parish with color drawing by parish on the same seat in Richenberg's herbs. These are the some examples: Clistocia parshi, Crinoxperium lunifolium, Corotial luniferus, and Chloreshita lunifera. Tinomyxum nicobaricum, Balkrishnan leaves and male inflorescence. Tinomyxum petiolare and female inflorescence. Fabruaria tinctoria. Balkrishnan in 1980, Jania nicobarica and Coptophyllum nicobaricum. Typification mistaken. Vasudeva Rao in 1985, Rostillaria andamanica. Ellis merged with Rostillaria procumbens, Linnaeus, in bracket Linnaeus and Lees. Vasudeva Rao in 1994 reinstated and rendered Justicia andamanica. Diasporas Redley, Mick variety andamanica in 1877. Diasporia crumanta 1860. Parkinson's in 1923. Diaspora pyrocarpoid in 1993. Section number pyrocarpoid V. Singh Campanulata back. Holotype is a particular specimen or other element while rendering a name for a taxon that is the holotype. It can be one and only specimen or element. If only one specimen is cited, automatically it gains the status of holotype. Isotype, duplicate or replicate of holotypes are isotype. It will be the specimen collected by some same collector from the same place and of same date and naturally bear the same collection number. Paratype, if the publishing authors given additional specimen other than specified holotype, they will be paratypes. Syntypes, when publishing authors renders two or more specimens without assigning to be any of the types, all will be syntype. Lectotype, code gives liberty to choose one of the syntype to be a lectotype. Types, various types prescribed and leaves, modified primarily based on the hierarchy of type again taxon. These are the holotype, syntype, lectotype, neotype, isolectotype, and isoneotype. Important dates: 1st January 1958, new taxon valid only when type name is indicated. According to 14.1 article, in 1990, indication of type should include word typus or holotypus according to article 40.6. The designation of types is not effected unless the herbarium institution where it is conserved is stated 9.21 or 9.22. 2001, while prescribing lecto, neo, and epiphrase designated here, Hic designator should be included in Article 7.10. 2007, for species and below, validation of taxon only by specimen 40.4. Second step, typification in case of lecto, neo, or epiphyte, Article 9.17. There is Insiformis. Burman in 1768 cited two specimens in the protologue. Morton in 1967 annotated both as holotypes, but they are syntypes. This is followed by Fraser Jenkins in 2016, who stated that lectotype is in G without stating with one of two. Pew et al. In 1918 prescribed one specimen on second step lectotypification. Pacrania planiflora. Forman in 1972, lectotypified a collection of Wallis, but the collection was of a gathering of 3 specimens. On second step, lectotypification, it was narrowed down to one best preserved specimen. Another example, Agrostachys hookeri, Chakravarti and Krishnan in 2019 designated second step of lectotype for Philcox in 1997 lectotype. A designation of a lectotype, neotype or epitype, that latter is found to refer to a single gathering but to more than one specimen must nevertheless be accepted but may be further narrowed to a single one of these specimens by way of subsequent lectotypification, neotypification or epitypification. Article 9.17. 2005, Dendrobium sibunensis. Type specimen is a living specimen being maintained at the Orchid Nursery, Department of Horticulture, University of Philippines, Los Banos. Collector Orville. Basing on a living specimen, unacceptable, so invalid and rejected. Article 8.4. 2006, Lubov, Urquiza and Christensen designated the published drawing of Lubov, Urquiza et al. As a lectotype. A new name for a taxon cannot be lectotype but holotype only, and to be stated so from 1st January 1990, invalid and rejected. Article 14.6. 2009, Clement and Kutz publish a new combination, Euplaidium subensis, citing the drawing as a holotype, indicating a drawing as a holotype is not acceptable after 1st January 2007, invalid and rejected. Article 14.4. 2017, Euplaidium papillianisium puts a new name for a well-known orchid from the Philippines, Diorchidea, aware that the genus is synonymous with Dendrobium. Dendrobium papillianisium. Thank you. Echinoceros sapendropsis was based on a holotype consisting of complete plant with roots, detached branch, and entire flowers. A flower cut in halves and 2 fruits that, according to the label, were taken from the same cultivated individual at different times and preserved in alcohol in single jar. Because this material was collected at more than one time, it belonged to more than one gathering and cannot be accepted as a type. And Risher name it is not validly published under Article 40.2. Name validity. Valid name, properly designated type, called legitimate. Effectively published, accompanied by description of diagnosis or reference to previous published. Invalid, no questions of legitimacy. New genus. The name of a genus and a species may be validly published simultaneously by provision of a single description or a diagnosis, even though this may have been indented as a only generic or specific if all of the following conditions obtained. The genus is at that time monotypic. No other name at any rank have previously been validly published based on the same type, and the name of the genus and species otherwise fulfill the requirement for valid publication. Reference to an earlier description or diagnosis is not acceptable in place of descripto generico specifica. Monotypic genus Nicobariodendron flammurae. Type need not necessarily be the most typical or representative of the taxon. It only serves to know if a large way what the author or proposer had in mind or visualized. On or after 1st January 1990, for a name, type must be indicated with the word holotypus or typus or equivalent word in other language for a new taxon or lectotypification or neotypification or epitypification of a name of a species or infraspecific taxon by a specimen or unpublished illustration is not effected unless the herbarium collection or institution in which the type is conserved is specified. On or after 1st January 2001, the type designation of for lectotypus, neotypus, or epitypus must include stating it to be lectotypus, neotypus, or epitypus, or abbreviation and designated here. From 1st January 1912, electronic distribution publication in PDF is accepted with certain condition as a effective publication. In 1970, dioecious species Asparagus canacensis sheet having male and female plant. In 1978, Zedar Young invalidated the species. In 2011, F.T. Wang and Tang Chen published the species again to validate it, but the type indicated by S.C. Chen in 1978 is a single gathering collection presumed to be of a single taxon made by the same collectors at the same time from a single locality, Article 8.2 Vienna Code, but the latter validation was unnecessary. Thereby, the name published in 2011 is Isonine, name based on the same type. Thank you.